Thank you, random cashier. But no, this year, welcome to my channel. It's me, your cinnamon girl. So this year I'm gonna make my Valentine's Day dreams come true. I'm gonna do a Sunny Angel unboxing. I'm gonna run the bubble bath. I'm gonna get myself the flowers. I'm gonna do everything and more because I deserve it and I want to. I always see the pictures on Pinterest and I'm like, oh, like I wish I had that. But no, this year I am gonna make sure I have it. I might do it myself, I don't care. It's gonna be super fun. So join me as I make my dream Valentines come true. Thank you, Tommy. I wanted to give a little haul because I got so many things. 100% the best purchase. I'm not gonna lie. It was tough bringing these all home, but I'm glad I did it because everyone who saw me had something to say. I think it might be because I have a resting smiling face. Like I just look too approachable, I think. When I was actually like checking out, the cashier was so sweet. He gave me a discount so I didn't have to pay for the balloons, which was so nice of him. So thank you, random cashier. You were literally an angel. I also got a couple of these vases. I wanted to put like roses in them and I think that will look so beautiful. I got these wine glasses because I just realized that I don't have any wine glasses. And I think I'm gonna put a ribbon here or here. I'm not sure. I think it'll be really cute. Last but not least, some candles. These I already opened because I wanted to see how they burned. Also, little candle holders so I can put them and like they can burn because what is Valentine's Day without the lighting? The mood, the ambiance. These will definitely create such a nice ambiance. I got a bunch of sweets. I thought these would be so cute. I got a bunch of Ferrero shares and I also got, I actually don't like these, but my mom loves these. So I thought I could put them in her like little Valentine's Day gift bag. I thought I could also just tie little ribbons around here. I also have kind of envelopes. Here's the thing, I'm a pink girly. Recently, like, this red has been calling my name. These little red hearts, but just like for Lunar New Year's, February is just like red.